Are you stuck in your business, or is there a plan for you to exit it? If anything happened to you tomorrow, would it keep going on? I'm Rebecca Plant from the Business League. This man beside me is Murray Dalmeda. Now, if you're on the Gold Coast and been doing business here for a long time, then you would know Murray's name because he's been associated with such things as the Retail Food Group, Donut King. Give me some other names to drop here, Murray.
Southern Cross University.
Southern Cross University, but lots. But Murray is famous for starting the Donut King. Now, if you know Murray, he doesn't really love donuts that much, but he got into it because of the numbers game. Do you love donuts?
I absolutely adore donuts,
Do you?
particularly fresh. How do you think you don't get the size if you don't like donuts?
But you're going to come and speak to us at the August event for the Business League, and you're going to be specifically talking about how to exit a company because you've got some experience in that.
I certainly have.
Now, if you are in your business right now, there's probably three things that you want to be able to do. You want to be able to grow.
Yep.
That's one of the things. You want to be able to scale so that you can take holidays and have time off. But then you want to be able to exit it because at some point, really your business is an asset, isn't it?
Absolutely. And in many instances, it's the only asset that people have other than their house.
Because you can't get all the time back that you've given to your business growing it up.
You can't. And the only time you get that back is at monetisation when you can sell.
So what are some of the key things that these guys are going to hear from you when you come to speak at the Business League in August?
Yeah, well, it's the issue of growing, scaling, and then getting out. And from personal experience, I grew Donut King to Retail Food Group over 20 years. And it's interesting, you constantly think about growing, but you don't think about the end game. And in my case, I eventually walked out of that when the crooks got involved after I came back from the UK. But fundamental to that, and the lesson I learned, is you have to have the end game ready at all times. So your business has to be ready for sale from day one. Because if someone knocks on your door, or alternatively, if an or unplanned event happens to you, a serious death in the family or similar that you're forced to sell, or in my case, when I went below 50% and I just disagreed with the people who actually then controlled the company ethically, morally, and every other reason, and I wanted to leave, and in my case I eventually walked out. It's fundamental you have to be in the position, even if you walk out, to be ready to walk out.
So that's what Murray's going to be speaking to us about. And the one thing I love about Murray is you can always guarantee a raw conversation and something that is crazily real and brings in lots of real world examples. So I'm looking forward to listening to you, Murray. Are you looking forward to presenting?
It is, and I'll promise I'll tell you it as it is, the good, the bad, and the ugly, warts and all.
So I'm Rebecca Plant. This here is
Murray Dalmeda, I hope.
And you've been listening to the Business League. I'll see you again soon.
I look forward to meeting everyone next month or the month after.
Yeah, so jump in to thebusinessleague.com.au, grab your tickets, all the information's below this video. See you then.